Oh, great! By the way, my name is Jackie, and here's Frida, one of our African gray parrots. Alright, so before we start the show, I would like to ask everybody to please stand up. And let us give respect to the flag raising of United Arab Emirates flag. Alright, thank you very much. You know, take a seat, and the show officially started. Hi, hello there everyone. Good afternoon. By the way, I have trainer here, and here's my partner, Jellybean. You know what, guys? Jellybean learned a unique way of reminding everyone. So, guys, you want to see it? Come on, Jellybean, let's show them. Come on, everybody, let's keep Jellybean so we guys can put your hands together. Nice one, Jelly, keep it going. Alright, we'll do it again. Come on, Jelly. Alright, last one. Okay. So, Jellybean wants to remind us to always keep safe. Now, kids, do you have any idea what kind of bird Jellybean is? Do you know what kind of bird is this? Parrot! Anything else? A macaw! Actually, all of you is correct. Jellybean is a parrot, and he is a blue and gold macaw. Now, guys, for the next part of the show, I would like to turn you over to Trainer Chucky. Trainer Chucky, take it away. Thank you so much, Irvin and Jelly, for that reminder. From the fruits they ate from one place to another. So that's why they are considered a farmers of rainforest. The key forest grows trees and the new trees shelter them. Okay, to show us the foraging behaviors, here comes our channel-bellied toucan named Sky. They originated from South America. They used to jump by branch to branch while they are looking for something to eat. Just like this. And then as you can see, they have a long and black beak. They made of keratin. And also have some pigments like melanin, which is give black color. Same ingredient that we have in our fingernails and then in our hair. So round of applause for Sky, our channel-bellied toucan. Alright, so speaking of origin, what do birds use to find the foods in the nature? Okay, they use their senses. A study shows that the birds have 5 senses as we have, aside to distinguish or identify the object. Parrot eye have more shade of colors than the human eye. They have a sense of hearing, sense. And then I will cover one of these silver cups. And then I put 2 pair of silver cups next to it. So here comes another African gray parrot's named Toto. So guys, kids, do you think Toto, he will find it? Okay, we'll see. Oh, he climbed. What next Toto? Oh, he slide. Smell. There you go, he found it. Maybe Toto just lucky, right? Okay, we try it. Come on, Toto. Do it once again. There we go. He climb. What next, Toto? Whoop, slide. Smell. Oh, there you go. We found it once again. So round of applause for Toto. We trainer Bien. Okay, guys, kids, for this moment, I will handle with you with trainer Laura. Trainer Laura.
So, Oli here is a Gala cockatoo or rose-breasted cockatoo originated from Australia. How flexible birds can be. In the wild, when threats escape from possible predators, like birds of prey, they will look for a narrow space that their body can fit in, and regardless of the wingspan, they can go through it. And now, Oli will show us the modern way of delivering messages. Because here in Emirates Park Zoo, if Oli doesn't want to fly, at least he has a choice. And what do you think Oli will do? Yes, Oli will drive the car. And that's to remind everyone, when you are driving, always put your silver on and don't use your cell phone. That's a friendly reminder from Oli. To keep them mentally and physically stimulated. but most part of the training is actually based in their natural behavior. And speaking of natural behavior, birds build nests. It depends on the species of bird. With tropical birds, they will look for a tree cavity, like this one, and they will build the nest inside. The female will stay at the nest, incubating the eggs, and the male will look for food to feed the female. When the babies are born, both male and female will feed the babies. So today we're going to do again with that. Let's imagine these balls is the food these two birds have to feed to their babies. And we are going to see which one is the fastest. So we have here Valky and Frida. And I will divide you into two teams. So everybody is sitting over here. And in the stairs, you will go with Valky. Like Valky, Valky. Yes, like that. And everybody else sitting over there, you will go with Frida. Like Frida, Frida. Alright. So everybody ready, set and go. Come Valky, come Frida. Valky is the winner. Very good, Valky. Let's do another round and let's give Frida a chance. Okay, so are we ready? Set and go. One. Come on. Oh, who is the winner? Frida. Frida, for sure. Okay. Then we need to have another round. Ready, set, and go. One. Now Valky is the winner. Yes, Valky. Yes, I'm sure. But don't worry, Team Frida. We still have another game. And this one is called ring retrieval. This is to show you how birds collect materials in the wild in order to build their nest. So, same rule applies. We have Team Valky and Team Frida. So, ready, set, and go. One. Come on. Two. And the last one. Oh, Frida. Okay, so round of applause for Frida and Valky. They both did a very good game. So, did you like the game? Yes. Which bird was better, Frida or Valky? Yeah, Valky was better, yes. So, you want to see more? Yes, okay. So, tropical birds come in a big variety of colors and sizes. Here in Emirates Park Zoo, we have, and now we will also have jellybean coming over there. These are two for blue and gold macaw. These birds originated from South American rainforests, so countries like Colombia, Brazil, Puerto Rico, and they have one of the longest lifespan on birds. They can live up to 60 years, 60, in captivity. In the wild, they live a bit less because there is predation, illegal hunting, habitat destruction. And today, we're going to talk about the physical features of these birds, and Trainer Bien will explain them to you.
Okay, thank you very much, Trainer Laura. Okay, kids, today we are going to talk about the physical features of these birds. And let's start with their tail. As you can see, they have a long, slender tail, which they use for steering like steering wheel. They are moving their tail from left to right. It also serves as brakes. When they are flying, when you want to stop and slow down, they just open the tail and forward. And we also have these customized magnets right here, which these birds can pull all the way up to get the special kits they have inside. To show you how they use their beak, and kids to prepare their meal. As you can see, they have a quite powerful beak that can break even the hardest nut they can find in the wild. It's the walnut. And they also use their feet like us humans use our hands to grab things, to eat food, to play, or even to cling on tree branches. And they have distinct colors. And Trainer Laura will show it to you.
Thank you very much, Trainer Bian. Yes, they have two distinct colors. And what are those? What color do you see? Yes, blue and yellow, yes. That's the name, blue and yellow, or blue and gold macaw. And Jelly Bean and Valky will show you those beautiful colors. So, round of applause for Jelly Bean and Valky. Most of them are in danger and almost extinct. Extinction, that means forever. If a species of animal considered extinct, meaning we humans will never see them ever again. In danger means there's still some hope. We can save them by simply protecting their natural habitat and let them reproduce. One common danger these animals are facing in the wild is habitat destruction, pollution, due to improper waste management. That's why here in Emirates Park Zoo, we want you to remember this phrase. There is not enough amount of money or advanced technology that can solve the global waste issue. But if everybody has some self-discipline, like what Valky just did right now, we can help save nature. Do you guys agree? Yes, the simple things, if we do it all together, can make a big difference. And with that, let me introduce to you the trainers that did the show possible. We had Trainer Chucky, Trainer Bien, my name is Laura. We want to thank you all for coming and hope you have a wonderful day here in Emirates Park Zoo. Thank you. If you want to have a souvenir-friendly photographer right there, and he will assist you with your photo session. So next show will be Sea Lion Show at 5:45 right here.